In this video, we show how to replace the HPM on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, drive backplane cover, air shroud, fan cage assembly, risers 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4, as well as the OCP, BOSS, and DCSEM modules, and any memory and processor, heat sinks and processors, as well as power supplies removed from the system. To remove the HPM, disconnect any remaining cables from the HPM. Stay up there. All right, and then the intrusion switch with all the cables disconnected and moved out of the way. Lift up on the blue plunger and slide the HPM towards the front of the system, then lift to remove it out of the system. To install the HPM, align and lower it into the system, and slide it towards the rear until it clicks into place, and then reconnect your cables. Power supply. Make sure everything's realigned, and you're done. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.